पास मैं दोबारा काउंटर के लिए आऊंगी, बट प्लीज रिलैक्स सर, रिलैक्स,
उम्मीद करते हैं
रिलैक्स,
पूछिए सरकार,
रिलैक्स सर। यस डॉक्टर रंगनाथन।
नहीं, रिलैक्स करने का बात रिलैक्स नहीं है ना, किसान पिट रहा है। मैं किसान हूं, मुझे दर्द है उनके पिटने का।
मिस्टर सिरसा,
नहीं कर सकता
स्वाति, आई हैव अ रिक्वेस्ट फॉर यू।
मेरे को भी इस बात का गुस्सा है।
Either please fade Mr. Sirsa out or give him my time.
हर किसी को इस बात का दुख है, जो किसान को अगर आज सड़क पर उतरना पड़ रहा है, हर किसी को दुख है। बात या बहस इस मुद्दे पर हो रही है, बात या बहस इस मुद्दे पर हो रही है कि क्या किसान किसी तरह के भ्रम में लाए जा रहे हैं, क्या कोई मिसलीडिंग फैक्ट्स हैं, गवर्नमेंट के साथ बातचीत होगी तो क्या नेगोशिएशन होगा। वी आर गेटिंग टू दोस पॉइंट्स, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग जस्ट हैव सम पेशेंस, लिसन टू काउंटर्स, आई विल कम बैक टू यू। डॉक्टर रंगनाथन।
Thank you very much, Swati. I hope I will not be interrupted. You know, only Louds or Luddites, and both were sadly in evidence today, will oppose the ECA amendment and repealing of the British era APMC, because to my mind, they are the first true on-ground reforms of the Modi government. Yes, there have been a few tinkerings like the bankruptcy bill, but the ECA and APMC reforms affect half our population. They have it in them to transform the farmer from a serf to a businessman. By the way, repealing APMC was promised not in the NDA, but in the UPA manifesto. NCU is opposing it now. Hopefully, Mandi tax, middlemen, delayed payments, corruption are going to be a thing of the past. Congress says repealing APMC will render 3 lakh middlemen and laborers out of work. This is the same excuse peddled in the 1980s against computers. तो भाई राजीव गांधी जी देश में computers लाए ही क्यों? Look, the agriculture sector was crying out for reforms. Let me explain why. It contributes only 13% to our GDP, and yet 82% of all Indian households are dependent on it. 44% of our 475 million strong labor force is involved in it. In the West, it is only 2%. We have to induce flexibility in our economy. A quarter of our adult population being involved in agriculture is unsustainable. 3 lakh Indian farmers have committed suicide in the past 17 years. 95 million farmer households are not insured. Compensation costs twice as much as crop premium. Production to purchase, the entire chain is archaic, almost medieval. One example, sugarcane takes up only 9.4% of total cultivated area, but 71.4% of its irrigation water. India produces 350 billion kilograms of sugarcane. Total water use, 1 quadrillion liters, equivalent to 10 Ganga Sangha dams. And sugar prices, they have halved 60 or 60. Swati, please give me 30 seconds. For 6 years, out of mistaken belief or compulsion or opposition pressure, Modi bit the bullet and followed UPA socialist policies. The same Manrega scheme he called derisively as Gadde Khodna became his pet go-to scheme for assuring farmers and the unemployed. Yes, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, but not if you are on a treadmill. Narendra Modi has been walking the treadmill these past 6 years. With these reforms, he jumped onto a travelator. Support him instead of supporting your nefarious anarchist agenda.
So